Take a look at this here FXW Rollick Dog Playpen, and this is the 24-inch 8-panel variant, and this is going to be great for small to medium dogs. And we're going to set it up, take a look at it, and I'm going to give you guys my first thoughts on it. So let's get this thing out of the box and let's go get it set up in the yard over here. All right, so we're out here in the yard. We've got it pretty much all the way opened up, so you guys can see all these guys here. So now we're gonna get this thing set up, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's all put together and give you guys my thoughts on it. Then you're gonna stick these stakes right through these side holes, just like I'm doing here. And now we've got one panel on. You just gotta use these stakes to connect them. It's very easy to do. So as you guys can see, now we've got the full pen put together. And then right here, this is the door to it. And when you close it, it actually locks closed like that. Then in order to open it back up, you just gotta come over here to this part right here, lift up, and then it opens back up, which is a very nice design. But the cool thing about this dog playpen is these stakes, you can actually hammer them down in the ground. That's why there's some room here sticking up. So you can hammer them down in the ground, and that way if you have your dogs outside with this, they're not gonna knock it over or get out easily. And this is gonna be great for camping, just letting your dogs play outside and all kinds of other activities like that. So I love it. It's a great dog pen, and I actually have another one. I've got a larger one, the 36-inch, and that one is also great as well. If you guys do end up getting any of these Rollick dog playpens by FXW, you will not be disappointed. They are great quality, and they're just overall great dog playpens, and I love them so far. This one is gonna be good for the small to medium sized dogs, like my Shiba would be good in there, but she's inside because it's really hot out. So I give these playpens 5 out of 5 stars, and they are great.